In this video, we'll walk you through some basic business scenarios for pick and allocate processes to make your workflow more efficient. We'll cover the basic flow of pick and allocate transactions, review how to steps, relevant screens, and recommended guidelines. Keep in mind the following assumptions. You are aware of operations and transactions within warehouse systems and can analyze the need and set up configuration flow to meet your business needs. Target systems are already created and configured based on the minimum system requirements. Warehouse pickers can directly walk into the racks or locations and pick the required items for selected orders. Pick and allocate transactions can be used in warehouses that support small business operations like stores or medium-sized distribution centers, where users with orders visit the stores or distribution centers. The store operators pick the inventory manually based on the order. Then they pack and ship the inventory, such as outbound LPNs, to users. The outbound flow typically starts with the order and ends with shipping in a warehouse. In between, it may undergo various other processes or transactions like wave, task release, picking, packing, and loading, depending on the solution workflow defined for the warehouse. Imagine if you want to perform direct picking by skipping the processes like wave allocation and tasks. Here, the pick and allocate option allows you to achieve this. Order is the reference for pick and allocate. Pick and allocate updates the warehouse inventory. In a moment, we will demonstrate the high-level steps needed to initiate and complete the RF pick and allocate transaction. From the order type UI, define the order type with allocate during pick set to yes. Create an order with an order type. Open the pick and allocate RF screen and select the required order. Continue with scanning of the item, location, and quantity and complete the pick and allocate transaction. This table lists the key modules you will need for the RF pick and allocate transaction. There are a few RF screen parameters, which you can explore based on your business needs. Now, let us walk through a demo of pick and allocate. From the order type UI, you can see that the walk-in order type has the allocate during pick flag set, and the wave flag is not set. Note that these two flags determine pick and allocate functionality. From the order header UI, let's consider order ORD01, which has the order type walk-in order. This is an order for 3 items: item 01, item 02, and item 03. Now, you see that 2 items, item 01 and item 02, have inventory in active location. The other item, item 03, has inventory in reserve location. Now, on invoking the RF screen, select Pick and Allocate from the menu. Next, RF navigates to the order number prompt screen. Scan the order number ORD01. Then, scan the OBLPN number. The system then navigates to the first pick for the item 01, which will be picked from the active location. Next, scan the active location where item 01 is located. Enter item and quantity to confirm. Close the OBLPN. Post that you can observe the item 01 is allocated. Repeat the same process to pick next item. As item 02 is serial tracked, scan serial numbers based on the quantity. Close the OBLPN. You can now observe the OBLPNs are packed. On the order header screen, the picked items item 01 and item 02 are allocated with the quantity. Now, we will be picking third item, which is tracking both batch and serial. Repeat the same process to pick the item 03 on the RF pick and allocate transaction. Here, scan the reserve location where inventory exists. The system will prompt for the IBLPN. Enter the LPN number. Then, enter item and quantity to confirm. Scan serial numbers based on quantity. Close the OBLPN. You can observe that all items are allocated. Now, when you launch the OBLPN UI and search for order number ORD01, the OBLPNs are now packed with inventory. You can also see the updated pick locations. Finally, the system updates the order status to packed. This completes the demo. We hope you've found the information useful.